Hey everyone, my name's Adam, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to update Windows like you could back in the 90s and early 2000s. Let's get started. So how exactly are we going to update these old Windows computers? Well, we'll do it through the Windows Update Restored website. Now this website aims on restoring the old Windows Update websites so you can update computers like Windows 95 or Windows 98 for example, just like you used to back in the day. Myself and a bunch of other members on MSFN have worked really hard on making these websites work again. And it's worth noting that this would not have been possible without the Wayback Machine. This is where all the websites were archived. So now with all of that out of the way, let's actually get to updating. Alright, so the first operating system that I'm going to test is Windows 95. So let's open Internet Explorer because that's the web browser we need to actually access the website in order for it to work. So in the address bar we can type v3.windowsupdaterestored.com. Then we can hit enter. And there we go, we're taken back to the old page just how it used to look. Now of course this is a different icon, but it's the same concept, same website. So to actually check for updates, we can just click product updates, then click yes again. We get the please wait prompt, and there you go. It's now found updates. So let's scroll down and see what it's found. Well, it's found the critical updates package, and let's expand this to see what updates it found in the critical updates package. So it's found quite a bit. Then we have recommended updates. This is DirectX 8.0a. We have Agent 2.0, and that's it. Now, it's worth noting that this website is not complete and some updates will fail to install, and we're currently working on that. And we're working on adding support for Windows ME and Windows 2000. So in the near future, support should be added. So now let's actually download these updates. So we can click download, make sure all the updates are selected. Then we can click start download. And you can see all the updates that it's installing right here. Then click yes. And you can see it's downloading the updates and installing them. And there we go, it's installed all of those updates successfully. And now it's giving us the prompt asking if we want to restart a computer, so we'll just click yes. So after the restart, let's go check for updates and see if there's any available. Alright, let's see what updates it found. You'll notice it says critical updates package right here, and if we scroll down here, you can see that there's security update April 2nd, 2001, and Windows share level password update. And now at the moment, these two updates will not install, but we're working on fixing that. Then if we scroll down more, DirectX 8.0a. Now this update will also not install, but as said before, we're currently working on fixing that. But we can install the Agent 2.0, so let's do that real quick. We can uncheck this, and let's start the download. And just like that, it's installed it. So as you can see, that is Windows Update Restored v3 working on Windows 95. Now let's test out Windows NT 4.0. So we'll head over to Internet Explorer. In the address bar, we'll type v3.windowsupdaterestored.com, then hit enter. Let's click Product Updates, then click Yes, then click Yes again, and then it'll start checking for updates, and look at that. It found updates. So let's scroll down and see what it's found. We can expand that, just click OK there. And you can see all the updates it found there. And then we just have some recommended updates, and we have the big one. Windows NT 4.0 Service Pack 6a 128-bit strong encryption. Then we have Agent 2.0 and Chat 2.5. So first let's install the critical updates package. So it's selected, we'll click download, then click start download, then click yes. And you can see it's starting to download and install, and it's installed all the updates, so let's click yes to restart. Alright, so now we've restarted our system, and as you can see, it's installed all of the critical updates package, which is great. Then we just have some other updates, but right now I'm going to install the big one, which is Service Pack 6A 128 strong encryption for Windows NT 4.0. And then on that prompt you can click OK, and now let's download the update. Then click Start Download, click Yes, and it'll start to download. And then on the prompt, you can just click Accept the License Agreement, and if you want, you can keep this checked, and then we'll click Install. And then we'll start installing Service Pack. And now we can just click Exit, and we'll get the prompt to restart. So just click Yes. And there we go, as you can see, the update successfully installed. And finally, let's head over to Windows 98 2nd Edition. So let's open Internet Explorer on Windows 98, we'll just click OK. Then in the address bar, again, we'll type v3.windowsupdaterestored.com, we'll hit enter. And you'll notice that the background here is yellow, and this happens if your color mode is set really low. So anyways, let's just check for updates and see what we get. We'll just click yes on the prompts here. It'll check for updates. And there we go. You can see the critical updates package, which shows up on every operating system. And then we actually have MSN Messenger 3.0, which is pretty cool. Internet Explorer 5.5 and Internet Tools. Windows Media Player 7. Windows Critical Update Notification 3.0. Microsoft Virtual Machine. Then we have some other updates here, and some special Windows 98 updates as well. And we have a lot of updates for Windows 98. So I'll scroll down just so you can take a look at the amount of updates there are. There's a lot of language packs as well. There's games and even themes too. So I'll actually select Windows 98 games so we can show those off. And I'll also pick MSN Messenger 3.0 and Windows Media Player 7. So let's download all these updates. Click Start Download, click Yes, and then these updates will download. And now let's restart so it can finish installing all of the updates. And there we go, it successfully installed the updates. So let's check out the Windows 98 games as mentioned before. And if you take a look, MSN Messenger is also installed. And there we go, we now have games. So let's check out Solitaire. You can see the game loads up just like it should. And everything works. Let's check out Minesweeper for our last game we'll test. And as you can see, that works as well. So there we go. That's just a taste of the website that we're working on. In the future, we're hoping to add support for the Windows Update v4 website and Windows Update v5. So we'll expand support up to Windows XP. So there you have it. This is Windows Update Restored, and this is how to update your old computers just like you used to back in the day. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like my videos, share this with your friends, and let me know in the comment section down below what you thought in this video. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.